I trying to tell you, this thing tastes so good, Kyle. Mm-mm. Hannah Montana, this thing tastes so good. Mm-mm. You'll look pretty in that right there. Yeah, you'll look pretty in that. Scared stiff. Mm. 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 Yeah, please hit that thumbs up for me. Hit that thumbs up for me. Or subscribe. Or subscribe to me. Mm. I don't be I don't be eating in y'all face and stuff. I'm gonna catch y'all boy tomorrow, right? And slide out. Y'all hit that thumbs up for me. And go subscribe so you can jump in the community. Tell them boy, Hannah. Tell them boy. What's that shit? I'm trying to tell you. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, I be fucking shit up. Yeah, I be fucking shit up. Y'all hit that thumbs up for me though, man. Hit that thumb for me. Hit that thumb for me and go subscribe. And jump in the community. Jump in the community thing and thing. You know what I'm saying? I'll let me in the community. Oh fuck. Well, I never felt under the influence. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's finishing up. The my blankets and stuff. I can go to sleep tonight. Yeah, I about to call it tonight. I'm gonna see y'all. Y'all jump in the community. Hold them down.